Hey, what's up guys? This is Will back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a lapel microphone that was sent out to me by PoP Voice. A couple of weeks ago they sent out a single head lapel microphone. This time I got a dual head, so a big shout out to PoP Voice for sending this out for a review. So this is the PoP Voice Premium 16 feet dual head Lavalier microphone, professional lapel clip-on omnidirectional condenser mic for Apple, iPhone, Android, PC, for recording YouTube, interviews, video conference, and podcasts. So, like I said, this has a dual head on it. It's like if you got more than one person that you want to record something with, then you got two microphones that'll just plug into one device. So let's take a look at it and see what we got here. I think it's a pretty neat idea. I don't have any situations where I need something like this yet, but I know a lot of people that are more than two people doing podcasts and things of that nature, or YouTube, and this would be handy. So 196-inch cable on it too as well. So here's the packaging. Rambling too much. On the back, you got a PR code right there for user support. Let's get into the box, check it out, see what's all in here. So that's all in the box. So you get this nice carrying case, just like with the single head. It's got PoP Voice printed on the outside of it. And the single head was pretty good. It had some pretty good sound to it, recorded well. These don't amplify the sound, they're just for recording. So you get this pamphlet here. As you can see, you get a PC adapter cable right here. And let's see what's all in the packaging as well. So you get the microphone, you get two wind muffs, PC cable, a pouch, a phone adapter, and two clips. So you can pause all that, read it yourself. Here's some other items that they offer. Let's get into it and see. So I just named off everything that's in there, but let's take a look at it. Eyes on. So your two clips here. Let's take a look at them. These are metal clips as well. Get them out of this packaging here. So there's the clip. Nice metal clip in case you break your other ones. You get your two muffs here, or wind socks, or whatever they call. You get some spare ones, and then you get your phone adapter here, which is nice, 3.5 millimeters. And then you also get your PC adapter. So there that is, nice gold color on it. And then you get your two mics here, pretty good size mics as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause this and plug it in, and then I'll try each one individually and see how they sound. So hold on guys. Okay guys, so I have the mics plugged in, one end on them, both of them are plugged in. I didn't unravel all this stuff. I have it plugged into my Note 8 right here. So both of them, you should be hearing me through both of them. Let me do one at a time. So here's this one, testing 1 2 3, see how it sounds. Then I'll switch and do the other one, testing 1 2 3, see how it sounds. And then we'll do both of them here at the same time, testing the sound quality on the PoP Voice dual head microphones. So here they are, as you can see. Hopefully it's coming across good guys, but if you got two people recording, it's got enough cable here where you can stretch it out and just use one source to plug in and record at the same time. Here's another test. All right guys, so I'm going to unplug them and go back to my other. Okay guys, so hopefully you got a chance to see how these microphones perform through video, but they sound pretty good after I went back and listened to them. But this is everything you get with this kit right here. You can go over and read the description Read all the information you need to know about them on Amazon.com. The link will be in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out of here.